Asuntoskeittiömänisten tupa.
Today it's the 28th of September 2022. We have Suitsikatu 5 stakes E.
3, I think.
3.
But I have to check. Actually 5 to 7.
So weddings 5 to 7. It's in
Metsäkangas.
Metsäkangas in Lahti, Finland, with 8 floors. This is the staircase D. Only the staircase D and E have elevators. I hope we can get to the staircase D also as soon as possible. Because it was the original, thought it was replaced, but it was the original. It was built by ValmetSchlieren in 1976. Tower 45 is sold in last year, 2021. We'll be expecting in 2023, the next year. The cylinder is VS4588. The capacity is 4 persons, 325 grams, 2 rides. This is amazing as it's made faster.
Yeah.
And amazing sounds and amazing smell. I love the interior too.
Yeah.
But no memory.
Niissä tippaa kiva iskuttaa, että meidän eteenpäin on hissiurakointi.
And somebody tried to burn the stop and alarm buttons and the ground floor button here.
Yeah.
And it's really dumb.
That's